DVA Boss Lab Academy. So today we're going to be reviewing everything that happened last week. Last week we did our introduction to the knotless braids. We practiced parting, pre-parting for an actual set of braids, and then we also practiced plaiting down and installation to get the muscle memory down and the hand switching. With the curriculum, I really broke down everything that goes into producing a quality set of braids. i.e., I'm about to show you a braided wig that I'm working on now. So this is what I'm working on now. And the girls are about to take their units down and redo them, but this is a braided wig that I will be wearing, and it's utilizing the same techniques. So once they master how to do this, they'll be able to apply the techniques in any method, whether it be on a client or on an actual wig head or something like that. Or crochet braids. We're gonna practice it all here. So we're gonna have each of our students come up and present their mannequin. They're gonna talk about what their favorite part of the mannequin head was, where their most challenging part was, and what they're looking forward to accomplishing this week. So, who would like to go first? All right, Nani, come on up. And you can introduce yourself by giving your name.
Alright, hello, my name is Sanaya, and this is actually my first mannequin I've done. The colors I put in this mannequin were just regular black, and then I put some blue in it, I don't know, turquoise or something. But I actually kind of struggled with this by I was like, why can't I get the hair so close to the scalp? But then I was like, you know what, no stress, I just get better, the more braids that I do and stuff. So then I just kept trying, and I actually got it perfectly.
What was your first braid? Let's see it.
My first braid started at the bottom somewhere. Let me see. Oh my gosh, I don't remember. I think it was probably this one.
Okay, and what was your last braid?
My last braid was the one that was on the top, either on the left or the right. Or, yeah, I think it was around these two. I'm not sure.
You did do a good job getting them close. So what did you learn last week?
Well, I learned that you shouldn't get frustrated over anything that doesn't look perfect, but just know that the only thing we were worrying about was progress.
Yes, ma'am. Good job, Nani. Let's give her a round of applause. Woo! Woo! All right, Adley, it's your turn. Adley! So, what did you learn last week?
Not to give up.
Not to give up? Good job. What was your biggest challenge last week?
Trying to...
Can you show us? We want to see. Because you did a great job. This was your first time braiding.
Trying to get the braid on there, on the scalp.
So trying to add the hair in was your hardest part? But you were able to do it. Can you show us your favorite braid? Because you told me you had a favorite braid. Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Look at that one. Let's show them. This is her favorite braid. Look at that. That's after all of the work. So she started here with them being a little looser, but she kept going and she didn't quit. And she was able to get them closer to the scalp. So what are you looking forward to this week, Adley?
To get it closer.
And all it takes is practice, right? All right. Well, let's give Adley a round of applause, Nami. Thank you for your presentation. All right, so another benefit of the DVA Boss Lab Academy is it gets students thinking about what goes into their process, and it gets them comfortable with speaking about it. Public speaking is very important in any aspect of business, whether you're working for yourself or whether you're working at a corporation. You need to be able to communicate your ideas effectively. So that is what we work on, as well as discipline, confidence, and competence in the skill set. So we're going to do another round of braids today, but thank you for watching, and we will catch you in the next video. Peace, people.
It sounds like someone stirring something.
Good job, Adley. Good job, Adley. And remember, chop it. Yep. All right, now while you're holding it, yep, let's put our first piece in. Remember how you're supposed to hold that. And then scoop it in like ice cream after you hold it. Yep. And then braid it. Chop and chop, remember? Yep. Yes, ma'am. Yep, chop. Yep. And then add your next piece in. And scoop it like ice cream, remember? Yep. Yes, ma'am. Chop. Yep.
One more
Yep,
piece.
add your one more piece in. Remember? Yep, there you go. Chop it. Yep. Yes, ma'am. Good job. Chop. Remember, chop.
I didn't get it up there though.
But you did good. You got it in. Good job. And then now you switch your hand to braid down. Yep. Yep. Good job, Adley.
Thank you. It's closer. Oh, look at you, Abby.
I told you you could do it. I told you you could do it.
This is good for you all for the summer. It should have started earlier, at the beginning of the summer.
It's good for self-esteem and patience, and learning,
We're going out the back.
managing anxiety,
Unless you want to walk
learning
around.
to keep going and not give up.
Yeah, this certainly should have
I
started.
love it.
This certainly should have started earlier. At the beginning.
Yeah.
Well, it started now.
Yeah. No, it's never too late.
Thank you.
Thank
welcome.
you.
Thank you.
All right.